Welcome to today's video where we will explore what exactly is a healthy diet. In this few minutes guide, we will break down everything you need to know about balanced nutrition, debunk common myths, and provide you with actionable tips for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to improve your energy, lose weight, or just feel better, understanding what constitutes a healthy diet is the foundation for good health. So, what exactly is a healthy diet? A healthy diet is one that provides your body with all the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. These include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. The goal of a healthy diet is not just about weight management, it's about nourishing your body for long-term health. A healthy diet has countless benefits. Not only does it provide you with energy, but it also reduces the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. The food choices you make today impact your long-term health and can influence how well your body functions as you age. Now, let's explore the key building blocks of a healthy diet. These are the foods and nutrients that should form the core of your daily eating habits. Whole grains are grains that contain all three parts of the kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. Unlike refined grains, which have the bran and germ removed during processing, whole grains retain their full nutritional profile, making them an essential component of a healthy diet. Whole grains are rich in dietary fiber, which helps improve digestion, maintain bowel regularity, and promote gut health. Fiber also plays a role in controlling blood sugar levels and lowering cholesterol, making it beneficial for heart health. Whole grains are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like B vitamins that help convert food into energy, and minerals like magnesium, iron, and selenium, which support various body functions, including immune health and oxygen transport. Whole grains contain antioxidants like vitamin E and phytonutrients, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. This contributes to reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Unlike refined grains, whole grains provide complex carbohydrates, which are digested slowly, providing a steady release of energy throughout the day. This helps prevent spikes in blood sugar, keeping energy levels stable and reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. The high fiber content in whole grains, such as those in oats, brown rice, and quinoa, aids in digestion by promoting healthy bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which is important for overall digestive health. Numerous studies have shown that consuming whole grains can lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in oats, in particular, has been shown to reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Because whole grains are more filling than refined grains, they can help with weight management by promoting satiety. The slow digestion of whole grains helps you feel full longer, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Whole grains, especially those rich in fiber like barley and quinoa, have a lower glycemic index compared to refined grains. This means they cause a slower, more gradual increase in blood sugar levels, helping prevent sharp spikes and crashes that can lead to fatigue or insulin resistance. Examples of popular whole grains include brown rice, which is a high-fiber alternative to white rice, packed with antioxidants and magnesium. Oats are great for heart health, as they are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol. Quinoa is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it a fantastic option for vegetarians and vegans. Barley is known for its high fiber content, helping improve digestion and lower blood sugar levels. Whole wheat, found in whole wheat bread and pasta, is a good source of fiber, iron, and B vitamins. Incorporating whole grains into your daily diet can have profound effects on your energy levels, digestion, and overall health. Replacing refined grains with whole grain alternatives is a simple yet impactful change that contributes to long-term well-being. Lean proteins are vital for muscle repair and growth. Sources like chicken, turkey, fish, beans, and legumes should be staples in your meals. Healthy fats are essential for brain function and hormone balance. Not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, also known as unsaturated fats, play an essential role in supporting overall health, especially in areas like brain function, heart health, and hormone production. Unlike unhealthy trans fats and excess saturated fats, which can negatively impact health, healthy fats are beneficial and should be a key component of a balanced diet. Types of healthy fats include monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad LDL cholesterol while maintaining good HDL cholesterol. They are crucial for heart health and provide anti-inflammatory benefits, with sources including avocados, olive oil, almonds, peanuts, and hazelnuts. Polyunsaturated fats are essential because the body cannot produce them on its own. They include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are critical for brain health, cellular function, and regulating inflammation. Sources include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and sunflower oil. Omega-3 fatty acids, a specific type of polyunsaturated fat, are renowned for their role in reducing inflammation, supporting brain and eye health, and lowering the risk of heart disease. Sources include fatty fish, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and algae-based supplements. Key benefits of healthy fats include brain health, as healthy fats, particularly omega-3s, are vital for brain function and development. The brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and these fats help maintain cognitive function, memory, and mood. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon, play a crucial role in maintaining brain cell membranes and enhancing neurotransmitter function, which is essential for memory and learning. Hormone production is another benefit, as fats are building blocks for hormone production. Without adequate healthy fats, your body cannot synthesize key hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and progesterone, which regulate everything from metabolism and reproductive health to mood and energy levels. Heart health is also improved by healthy fats, especially monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. This helps prevent plaque buildup in arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. Lastly, inflammation reduction is a key benefit, as omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a contributor to many health problems, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and certain cancers. By incorporating foods rich in omega-3s, like fatty fish and flax seeds, you can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Healthy fats are essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins play a crucial role in immune function, bone health, skin health, and antioxidant activity. Without adequate dietary fat, your body may struggle to absorb these important nutrients. Healthy fats can also play a role in managing weight. Fats are more calorie-dense than carbohydrates and proteins, so they help you feel fuller for longer. Incorporating healthy fats into meals can reduce cravings and overeating, helping with long-term weight control. Avocados are a nutrient-dense source of monounsaturated fats, and they also provide fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, supporting heart health and digestion. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds, are excellent sources of both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. They also provide protein, fiber, and important minerals like magnesium. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of olive oil has been linked to improved heart health and reduced risk of stroke. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for reducing inflammation, supporting brain health, and improving heart function. Coconut oil, when consumed in moderation, contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can provide quick energy and may have certain metabolic benefits. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet provides numerous benefits for both your body and mind. These fats help maintain your brain's health, balance your hormones, protect your heart, and ensure your body functions optimally on a cellular level. Fruits and vegetables are nutrient powerhouses full of antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Aim for a variety of colors to ensure a broad spectrum of nutrients. Dairy products are a significant source of essential nutrients, particularly calcium, which is critical for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Dairy foods also provide protein, vitamin D, potassium, and phosphorus, which all contribute to various bodily functions such as muscle repair, hormone production, and blood pressure regulation. However, for individuals who are lactose intolerant, allergic to dairy, or follow plant-based diets, there are numerous dairy alternatives that can offer similar nutritional benefits. Dairy is the primary source of calcium in many diets, which is essential for bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. For adults and children alike, calcium helps build and maintain strong bones, teeth, and healthy muscle function. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of high-quality complete protein, which contains all 9 essential amino acids. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, making it a critical component of a balanced diet. Many dairy products are fortified with vitamin D, which works in tandem with calcium to enhance its absorption in the body. Adequate vitamin D intake is essential for bone health, immune function, and reducing inflammation. Dairy foods are rich in phosphorus, which supports bone health and the body's energy production, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain fluid balance in the body. For those who are lactose intolerant, allergic to milk, or prefer not to consume dairy for ethical or dietary reasons, there are several plant-based alternatives that provide similar health benefits. These alternatives are often fortified with calcium, vitamin D, and other nutrients to mimic the nutrient profile of dairy. Almond milk is a popular plant-based alternative made from almonds and is often fortified with calcium and vitamin D. It is naturally low in calories but lacks the protein found in cow's milk. However, it contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin health and reduces inflammation. Soy milk is one of the most nutritionally comparable dairy alternatives, as it provides similar levels of protein and is often fortified with calcium, vitamin D, and B vitamins. It contains isoflavones, which have been linked to improved heart health and hormone balance. Oat milk has become increasingly popular due to its creamy texture and nutritional profile. It is often fortified with calcium and vitamin D, and it naturally contains fiber, which promotes gut health and helps with digestion. Oat milk is also lower in fat compared to dairy milk. Coconut milk, derived from the flesh of coconuts, is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which provide a quick energy source. While it is typically lower in protein, it offers healthy fats and can be fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Rice milk is another option for those with nut or soy allergies. It is typically fortified with calcium and vitamins but is lower in protein compared to cow's milk or soy milk. Its natural sweetness and thin texture make it a good option for baking and cereal. Cashew milk offers a creamy texture and is rich in vitamins and minerals like magnesium. It is often fortified with calcium and vitamin D but contains less protein compared to cow's milk. It is a good option for individuals seeking a dairy alternative that is mild in taste. When choosing plant-based alternatives, ensure they are fortified with essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and B vitamins to help meet daily dietary requirements. Many store-bought alternatives are fortified to match the nutrient profile of dairy. While dairy products are naturally high in protein, not all plant-based alternatives offer the same amount. If protein intake is a concern, options like soy milk or adding protein-rich foods to your diet may help fill the gap. For those with lactose intolerance, there are also lactose-free dairy products available, such as lactose-free milk, cheese, and yogurt, which retain the same nutrient profile as regular dairy but without the discomfort of lactose digestion issues. Whether you choose traditional dairy or plant-based alternatives, these foods can play a vital role in supporting your calcium intake, bone health, and overall nutrient needs. Incorporating a variety of these options into your diet ensures you receive adequate amounts of key vitamins and minerals while accommodating dietary preferences or restrictions. While eating nutritious foods is important, portion control is another critical aspect of a healthy diet. Eating too much of even healthy foods can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Use smaller plates to avoid overeating. Pay attention to serving sizes, especially with high-calorie foods like nuts or oils. Practice mindful eating. Take time to enjoy your meal and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Let's debunk some common diet myths that can lead to confusion. Not all carbohydrates are created equal. Whole grains and complex carbs like sweet potatoes and quinoa provide essential energy and nutrients. The key is to avoid refined carbs, like white bread and sugary snacks. Healthy fats are necessary for your body to function properly. The real issue is consuming unhealthy trans fats found in fried foods and processed snacks. Skipping meals can actually slow your metabolism and lead to overeating later. Eating regular, balanced meals is more effective for maintaining a healthy weight. Planning a healthy diet doesn't have to be complicated. With a little preparation, you can ensure you're eating a balanced and nutritious diet. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Prepare meals for the week to avoid unhealthy choices when you're short on time. Make sure each meal includes a source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbs. Don't forget to fill half your plate with vegetables. Maintaining a healthy diet is about consistency and making sustainable choices over time. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion and overall health. Allow yourself occasional treats but focus on portion control and balance. Exercise complements a healthy diet by boosting metabolism and improving mental health. Whether through a nutritionist, friend, or online community, having support can help keep you motivated. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights into what a healthy diet looks like and how you can incorporate these principles into your daily life. Remember, a healthy diet is not a quick fix but a lifelong commitment to nourishing your body.